Hi, Miss Marce. We are back again, and we've got news for you.
Tell her, Dalia.
Get ready
To hear what we have done.
and leave those cars at home. SO2 is rising. Heat is getting up. According to all sources, to the streets we cannot go. 'Cause tonight for the first time, the wet deposition comes. For the first time in history, it's gonna start raining acid. It's raining acid. Oh my God, it's raining acid. No, oh, I don't wanna go out and get my skin all burned. Absolutely no, no, no. It's raining acid. Oh my God, it's raining acid. Every tear burns. Plants die, pH decrease, burning the land and killing the fish. The planet cannot heal, 'cause the cars still pollute. Use alternative sources. For example, start using bikes. Restore the environment. Reduce pollution now. Use wind and solar energy if you want the world to last. It's raining, yeah. It worsens global warming. Yeah. Destroys aquatic life. Yeah. Plants are weekend. They weekend.
They do.
Changes the character of the soil.
No good
For the environment. Thanks to the dirt on the wind. And the combustion of fossil fuels. It's gonna start raining acid. Say it, Lucy. You go, girl. Oh my God, it's raining acid. What's raining?
Oh my God. Acid.
Oh my God, it's raining acid. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's raining acid.
Oh my God, it's raining acid. No!